Hello, welcome to lesson 3, and in this lesson we'll be talking about editing. Remember, we are still on the module of formatting to impress. So once you're done with your cover letter, you need to edit. Why do you need to edit? It shows the recruiter that you pay attention to details. Sometimes because we're in a rush, we write the letter and we post immediately without proofreading, without editing. So in this lesson, we'll be looking at why you need to edit and how you can effectively edit your letter. So the first thing we'll be looking at is the tone of the letter should be business-like and employer-focused. We cannot overemphasize the point that your cover letter should be as professional as possible. So the tone should be business-like and it should be employer-focused. You also need to check for grammatical or spelling errors. There are times that the auto format of your MS Word can help you auto format a word that has different meaning from what you want to communicate. It is advisable that you check for grammatical or spelling errors before sending your letter. You also need to print out a copy of your letter because you want to edit and you want to make it as professional as possible. So what you can do is to print out a copy and read it out loud. Listen to how it sounds. You're putting yourself in the shoe of the recruiter and you're reading it aloud. So while you're reading it aloud, you want to know if it actually makes sense, if there's a logical flow of thoughts from what you have written, and if there is none, you want to edit and make it look as professional as possible. Another thing you can do is to print it out and ask a friend to read it out loud, or let a friend also go through it. By doing this, you are looking at some things that you must have missed. Somebody else might pick it up. This are part of the things you need to do while editing your cover letter. So the last thing we're looking at is you need to proofread more than once. So read from the last paragraph to the first paragraph, then from the first paragraph to the last paragraph. Read through and read more than once. Make sure you're reading your letter before sending it to the recruiter. We have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for listening. Bye.